What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and it's 4 a.m., and I'm starting the drive back to Alaska right now, so let's do it. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby.
For the next train, the Terminal 1 baggage claim for American and Delta.
I just got back to Las Vegas right now on a plane. Oh, I'm so tired. I took the, I went to like the wrong terminal in the airport and was looking in the wrong baggage claim, so I added another couple hours on for myself. Anyway, I am back at the camper and I'm going to bed right now. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. See you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Man, I am beat, but guess what? We're driving to Alaska starting today. Right now, I'm in Las Vegas, and I was going to drive through Yosemite, but I just found out they're closed. There's a super crazy winter snowstorm, and all the roads are shut down right now, so I can't get through. So I'm gonna go south of Instead of going through Yosemite, I'm going to drive kind of south of Las Vegas and out towards kind of Los Angeles, honestly, and then head straight up the California coast. So that's my plan. Reason being is I have to pick something special up, so you guys will see shortly here. Big surprise. I had a Facebook friend that reached out and suggested that I contact a van life storyteller guy as part of the Storyteller Overland crew, and he let me park the truck camper in his yard essentially for 2 or 3 weeks here. So this is awesome. So I'm waking up here. Got an Uber here last night really late. There's the neighborhood. Nice safe place to park. And we're getting out of here. I gotta go load the bikes, kayaks, and let's go. All right, we are moving. I'm in Vegas. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods really quick, get some food, because I'm gonna be going through Death Valley. Probably camping out there, maybe not, maybe going past it. Here we go, heading north through Vegas to Death Valley. I am stoked. I have never been to Death Valley. I've heard about it my whole life. It's supposed to be like the hottest place in the United States from everything I know. And we're going right into it. Although it is December, so it's not too crazy, I don't think. So the main reason I'm heading to California is to go pick something up that's going to be a big game changer for the channel. I think it's going to be pretty awesome. I can't give it all away yet, but you'll probably start getting hints as I pick things up along the way. There's the first snow I've seen in a while. You can see the dusting out there. We're going through the pass up here just outside of Las Vegas. This is the last place to get fuel at this junction here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fuel up just to be safe. Diesel's $5.50 a gallon. Well, double whammy, y'all. I just went to the gas station and they are totally out of diesel, so I can't fill up there. And not only that, but Highway 395 is actually shut down from snow right now, so I can't even go around that way anyway. So much for Death Valley. I guess I can't go check it out. So I'm gonna just head, I'm along the edge of Death Valley right now of the park. So I'm just gonna head south and hit the highway, and I'm gonna go around, way around the side. The biggest reason I'm having to turn around is the nearest fuel is 57 miles, and yeah, I'm not gonna make it. If I had to go try to do the whole Death Valley loop, it's like maybe 180 miles total, so I would not have made it. So anyway, heading towards Baker, that's where we're going. And honestly, a big part of being on the road and living on the road is you just gotta go with the flow. You just gotta be able to change your plans and be cool with it, and it opens up opportunities that would not have previously been available. And honestly, you never know. Some of my best adventures have come from having to change plans and just going with the flow and seeing what happens, and then just new opportunities arise from it. So we're gonna take it for a sign, and we're just gonna go this way. Right now, I'm just heading around kind of the outskirts of Death Valley National Park. Death Valley is literally the hottest place on Earth. The highest recorded temperature on Earth was at Death Valley at Furnace Creek, and is 134 degrees, if you can believe that. That's insane. You can cook an egg if you want. So, something to think about, pretty crazy. And it's also the driest place on Earth. I didn't know that, although I believe it. Probably because even if it did rain, it'd evaporate immediately. But it's really cool terrain, and even though I'm not cutting through the heart of the park because of my diesel right now, it's still super pretty, and yeah, it's just a cool area. I'm sorry, I gotta make a pit stop at these epic looking sand dunes. I gotta check this out. This looks so cool. Just check it out. Nice. Check out those sand dunes. Seem like a cool pit stop. Let's go over to the dunes and we'll park it. Passing by the Kingstone Wilderness over there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Really pretty sunset going on and rain off in the distance. And I'm heading right now towards San Francisco. Got maybe 7 hours, maybe a little bit less, and I'll be there. So that's the plan this evening. That sand dune area was so cool back there. I can't remember what it was called. It started with a D. Durham or Durin or something like that. I'm spacing it right now, but really unique sand dune area. It was, I don't know, I don't see that every day. That sand dune area was a perfect example. Like, if I would have gone the other way, I probably wouldn't have seen that, you know, or I wouldn't have seen that. So that's the cool part about just going with the flow sometimes. Ooh, it looks like we're heading into a really big storm. I don't know what's going on up here, but it looks pretty gnarly. Get this old VW bus in front of us. He's cruising pretty good. I mean, for this thing, so the speedometer in this thing is about, this truck's actually 4 miles an hour faster than what it says. We're going like 61 or so. So he's cruising pretty good for that thing. I've had people ask in the videos how fast this camper goes. This thing will totally cruise super comfortable, 70 miles an hour. Like, it really honestly does, no problem, which is nice. Usually I just keep it at 65 just because it's pretty much speed limit everywhere, but yeah, totally capable. I've had it up to 85 miles an hour. I don't know if I drive like that all the time, mainly because the 7.3 diesel, it's going to overdrive, but you don't want it getting too high in the RPM. So Usually once you get up to like 70, you're sitting at like, or somewhere around 2.3 on the RPM, so you don't want to go too much with it. Looks like we're getting closer to this big storm up here. Looks like a beast we're driving into. I know there's no way you guys can see this in the GoPro, but there is a crazy long line of cars out there in the distance on Highway 15. I have no idea what's going on, but we intersected right up here. So hopefully something really crazy is not going on. It's like the highway shut down or something. We'll go find out. Highway 15 freeway entrance. Oh my God. Look at that line of cars up here. Woo. I hope nothing's going on. And this seems like a lot of traffic for the middle of nowhere, so it's rolling though, so I think we'll be all right. Top of the morning, y'all. We are off the side of the highway in a rest area, somewhere around San Bernardino, California. And I'm gonna go drive north another 3 hours to go pick something up. I can't tell you just yet. Let's go get it. Oh, California. We're on the road. Let's go get a $5 coffee. We're gonna hit up, I don't like going there. I don't like supporting them, but we're going to Starbucks this morning. Starbucks coffee, because I need to wake up. And California is not so sunny. It's actually really cold. It was 39 degrees last night, which seems, I don't know a lot about California, but that seems really cold for the California coast. Maybe not though. Here she is. I am currently in Stockton, California, which is pretty close to like Sacramento, San Francisco area. And I'm almost to this person's house. And yeah, the surprise begins. The surprise will slowly get more obvious, but hopefully this doesn't give my surprise to you guys away. Oh man, we're here. Secret time, here it is. Got ourselves a trailer. So you're probably thinking, why do I have a trailer? I'm gonna show you why I have a trailer, but not yet. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.